Hi, I'm Dr. Joyce Bassett, and I'm coming to Livermore, California, Microdental, the third week of January. It's on a Friday, January 17th. We will be honing in on your dental skills. We are going to dummy down preparation design. We're going to look at digital technology and how to marry and merge it into your practice. And we're going to look at things that go wrong when you do everything right, which is failures. How do you systemize your protocols so that you can see mistakes as they occur before they become catastrophic in the procedures? We're going to discuss patients expectations. How do you talk to the patient? How do you create value? What can you do? What can you not? And how do you get your team to stay with you to get the procedures done so that they're predictable for the outcomes and they last a long time? We're going to look at material selection, preparation design, and I think by the time you're done with the day, you're going to have just about everything you need to catapult your practice into 2020. It's going to motivate you, and you're going to just have the best year production-wise because you're not going to have a lot of remakes. So please sign up now and come see me the third Friday in January in California. And thank you, Microdental, for bringing me in. And I hope that we can demystify bite, occlusion, and everything from composite prototypes to maybe even a class 4 stratification technique. So see you soon. Happy holidays, 2020, Joyce.